Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add an event in your calendar in the Journal app. Just open the app and go to this icon in the bottom of the page, this calendar. Choose the day the event will be on, click on it, and then click on this plus sign. And now you can add the title here and add more details about this event. You can select the exact time frame as well, set up a reminder, and also choose the color or give more information. When you are ready, click on the check mark in the top right corner. And as you can see, it is now marked in your calendar. That's basically it. I hope it helps.